Hello everybody, my name's Edward and welcome back to the Warnick Family Farm, day 89 of the Farmhouse build, and we got a lot of updates to share with you guys today. There has been a ton of work this week, and it's been pretty busy. Sorry I haven't posted any updates, but just had a lot of crews working in here and really didn't want to get in anybody's way. Yeah, it is a Friday afternoon, so everybody's taking off out of here. It's a little later in the day, but I got a lot to share with you, so let's get started right away. So the biggest thing that's been going on, those boxes and cans that all went up, the electricians have been here, and they have been super busy pulling all the wiring. So, and they told me they're pretty much done pulling all the wiring, so they got all the electric has been run, with the exception of, let's say, the HVAC, which obviously isn't installed yet. But yeah, all the electric has been pulled around the house. Additionally, what has happened is the plumbers came by and they've completed all their work they need to do before sheetrock comes up. So this is the area where the water heater is going to go right here. But this is all the plumbing has been run. So that plumbing goes, up, feeds lines everywhere, runs all over through the house. From a wiring and switch box perspective, you can kind of see it's a little dark in here as the day starts winding down, but kind of all these have been put in everywhere for the wiring. It really gets dark in here, but this camera doesn't do too bad of a job. But if we go in here into the laundry area so we can see the plumbing, we've got the pipe standoff for the washer and dryer put in. Lots of great stuff. So it's been a ton of work. So when you look around this house, we've got just to kind of show you guys. I mean, there is wiring happening everywhere. So these are still going to be pulled over this way. There's having a 60 amp panel landed at that corner of the house for future use, and some other high voltage stuff going in. So pretty cool update. Also wanted to tell you guys from an update perspective that we're using a number of different pocket doors in different places of the house. So the framing crew came back out. I think it was the framing crew. I wasn't here to see that. Just a busy day for me too at work, so I didn't get here till later. But all the pocket doors have been put in. So we're going to use this room as like an office. We decided to put pocket doors in here so it can be opened up and kind of see what's going on throughout the house. But if we need to have a conference call or something, slide these pocket doors shut as needed. Moving back here into the bedroom areas and into the kids' bath, as I call it. Again, if we look at the wall, all the plumbing in for the sink, the drain lines. We go into tub and toilet area. If you turn around here, if you can see down here, the tub's been delivered down here. So this is going to be the tub shower. They even put the diverter valve and shower handle valve in here. So this green, I don't have a green tub. Don't worry, everybody. It's just a protective coating. It is a regular white tub. So while the house is being worked on and constructed, we have that coating in there. What else? I'll walk back here, just kind of show you a little bit what we're doing. Pocket door here as well. So that pocket door has been put in. A lot of different work. Can't even begin. Am I forgetting something? So kind of just panning around. This is the kitchen area. So, just tons of electrical happening within here. So we've got like this box here, outlets above the counter, more outlets. This is the wire for the range, for the cooktop. This is the wire that goes down here for the wall oven, microwave combo. From a plumbing aspect, this is the box for the water line for the fridge. So that had to be put in. Power for the fridge, as it says right here, fridge. So that's in. And then this is our pantry area in here. So we've got some power for above the counter in a couple spot here, and we're gonna have a freezer that's going to be an upright freezer. So that's these have to be their own circuits. So that's why they're specialty marked out within here. Let's see what else. I don't know if you guys can see it, but there's a can light at the top of the stairs there. So that was interesting. Talked to the electrician who did that, and I said, "How did you get all the way up there without the stairs?" And he goes, "Well, I stood on top of a 12-foot ladder." And I thought to myself, I would never stand on top of a 12-foot ladder. The guy was really nice. He said he was comfortable doing it. He didn't have a problem at all. So let's take a walk outside. Just want to talk about what's happening out here. By the way, we had another one of these crazy, wild, and wacky temperature swings. So we were in the mid-60s, had a big storm system come through, and it's cold again. And now it is wet and very soggy around everywhere. So I want to talk about this right behind me. Hopefully you can see that. So the metal roof is in. It got dropped off. I think it was Monday afternoon. I did a quick short about that. But the disappointing part is because of the rain we've been having, progress is been very slow on that metal roof. So as you can see, we only got like a couple panels put up. The crew comes by almost every day, makes a determination that with the rain and how wet it is, it's too dangerous to put the roof up. So there's that. We're about a week or so behind on the roof, which is really disappointing. But, you know, got to still be thankful for all the progress that has been made so far. So I'm, you know, still pretty optimistic in making our timeline and our time frame for getting this house completed. The other day, I was here with the guy that's going to be building, came by to do, kind of look around, do some measuring for the staircase. He told me he was going, if everything goes as planned, he was going to be coming by Saturday to start work. The only requirement he has is like it needs to be dry. So he can't have any precipitation because of the roof is not on. He doesn't want to put the staircase in if it's going to rain, because he said that can warp the wood and mess the staircase up. So yeah, really the roof kind of being behind and not finished is slowing us down a little bit. So I really hope that that roof project gets done. One last thing, just kind of pointing this out as I go. I was talking to a few friends of mine or whatever, and they suggested, you know, going with like a side-mounted garage door. So was able to ask my builder, to ask the sub he was using for the garage door, if we could do one of those side-mounted deals. They went back and forth a couple times and apparently said, yep, no problem. So we wired that in. So cool. And I like that idea just because that's going to keep, you know, that's going to keep having a motor hanging down from over here and the track running in the middle. I think it looks just a lot cleaner, and those side-mounted units usually have a little bit more advanced tech in them, so that'll be kind of cool too. One other thing I wanted to mention was that I did walk around. My electrician's going to be pulling all of the Cat6 and RG6 wires that I'm going to be running through the house, and he marked off all the locations. He said he's going to come back and pull those through for me. I'm going to be doing all the termination of those myself, just because that's something that I definitely can do, actually enjoy doing. He said he does have a kind of a home media guy that can do that too. So I might talk with him, because it is a big job. I'm pulling quite a bit of network cable through this house. This is the box here that we're going to land all that wiring in. This is kind of like a small area that I had them build off the master closet. So all of the networking cables will get home run into that area. So any of the kind of media and control equipment that I have will land there in the farmhouse. I like having that kind of all pulled into one place and have it home run and an easy place to have access to. That way I can throw in there, you know, UPS and network switches and stuff like that. So I'm able to have Wi-Fi and network service all around the house. Whew, I feel like I've been talking forever. But anyways, yeah, super excited. Super exciting week on the Warnick family farm. Lots of stuff accomplished. Still have a lot more to go. I think that's about it. Anyways, thank you so much for stopping by the Warnick family farm. Thanks for following this build process. If you want to see more videos and kind of see the progression of this farmhouse build, I'm keeping all of these videos in a playlist and a series so you can watch. Come back again next time, and we will see you then. Take care.